Of everything that I have ever purchased for a video, I think that might be the worst thing I've ever bought. Don't buy it. Today we are tackling among my favorite types of videos. If you are new here, hi, I'm Rachel. I am A, cookie monster, B, coffee aficionado, 3, I held up 2 fingers, but I meant 3. I love cleaning and organizing. It is just, especially around springtime, like, oh, can't get enough of it. And so when I start to see all these different products and hacks and tips and tricks and things that start popping up in my feed around springtime, I just get very excited. And I figure we could test them together and just kind of see what the fuss is about, what the hype is like, and what products and or hacks are like worth doing. And if you want to see some of the other cleaning items and hacks and things that we've tested in the past, go and check out the other videos. I will list them in a playlist for you at the end of the video. And I have a couple more products on the way. So if you want to see another round of this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up so I know. And now let's dive into some cleaning, shall we? And you know what we're not gonna clean right now? My makeup desk. I'm just gonna move this over here and pretend that doesn't exist. But ooh, okay, what are we gonna start with? They're just so many. Okay, I even made a list. A list on my phone. Like organizing, okay? Lists are what dreams are made of. Ooh, you know what? Let's start with one that's gonna, like, it's gonna take a minute because it has to go through like a whole process. And that is a detergent. People are obsessed with it. And I've seen it float around for like a couple of years now. And I've just never bought it because it's so expensive. But hold on, I need to go get it. Like, it literally came yesterday, I think. Hold on 1 second. Okay, found it. It is the Glamorous Diva wash, and it has insanely high ratings online. But I want to show you how big, now think in your mind, a big like liquid detergent bottle. All right, you see it? Okay, now this. This right here, this is $40 Canadian or about $25 US. Like, what? But again, like 20,000 almost fully 5-star ratings. Anytime I would come across a video of people talking about this, it was like, this is what they use in their boutique for all of their clothes. This is what they use at home with like it just making their closet smell really nice because the clothes give off this scent. Like, it's just insane. Maybe I will use this for special occasions. Special occasions for me. My kids don't care what they smell like. They're kids. Be wasteful is what it is. It says here in terms of the scent. This is how they explain it. I have not smelled it yet. A warm and complex fragrance overflowing with delicious fruits and rich florals. Wow. Paints a picture, doesn't it? Rich aromatic chocolates and amber complete the luscious blend with 2 exclamation marks, so you know it's really important. It's a fine laundry detergent. Again, it's very small. It says to use 1/3 cup per load, but it's HE. Like, it's a high efficiency thing. That feels like a lot. I don't think I would use that much. Anyway, it says to shake gently, not aggressively, gently. So I'm gonna shake it, and I'm gonna smell it. I'm gonna remove cap first. I have scissors here. Nope. But I do have this little thing on the nail scissors. Yeah. Okay. It is open. We are ready. I'm gonna smell this. I'm really into scents lately. If you couldn't already tell from like my Rachel Loves videos, I'm obsessed with perfumes right now. Okay, that's nice. It's a little fruity, but not in a super sweet way. It smells very fresh. I don't get chocolate or like really warm stuff, but it smells fresh. It smells kind of fruity sweet, but not in like a tropical, I always think of like tropical candies. It doesn't smell like that. A little fruity, a little floral, very fresh. Yeah, okay. Well, I like it. So let's wash some of my clothes with it. Because you know what this sweater needs to smell like? Wealth. Okay, let's get some of my laundry going. Stain treats and stuff here. I'm very excited about this sweatsuit. It's in next week's video. You're gonna love it. And then this is Chris's stuff. And just in case this is very, very strong, I'm not gonna wash his stuff in it because I don't think he really wants to smell super floral. Oh, almost forgot to gently shake it. Don't spray everywhere, please. Boop-a-doop-boop-a-doop-doo. All right. Ah, it's very liquidy. All right, and we'll check back soon on that. Please smell good, clothes. Thank you. So while that's doing its thing, let's go on to a hack. And this is for cleaning your baseboards, which is not something I do. Ever. Should I? Yes, I should. Do I have the time or the patience or the energy to do so? No. But this hack is supposed to not only clean your baseboards, but also sort of protect them from getting dusty in the future. And that is using a mixture of water and a fabric softener. Now, I personally don't use a fabric softener, so I had to like go out and buy the smallest one I could. But I thought for the hack, we needed to try it. We needed to see what this is going to do. And I have just the spot for the dirtiest baseboards. And just like a splash of the Downy, just like as if it were soap. Sit around here. All right, baseboard time. Okay guys, we are now in my basement and I invite you to look at my basement baseboards. Ignore all the cracks, those are getting fixed. But these probably get the most dirty out of all of my baseboards and just accumulate a ton of dust really, really quickly. So I'm excited about this hack. Let's start by getting a nice zoom in on all of that dust, shall we? No judgment, I have 3 kids and work all the time. Said to use a cloth and like just get it a little bit damp, wringing out most of it, and then just wipe. Yeah, it's getting a lot of dirt, obviously. But I think the real test will be in a week from now when we see if this has held up. Also, just for scientific purposes, I'm doing this side with the hack and then this side with just water. And because they're on the same level of where the stairs are, I feel like that'll be an accurate representation of dust repellent. So see you guys in a week. All right, 1 week later, update on the baseboards. So let's see. I still see, they look so bad. I do see some dust on here, just like little bits here and there, and about the same amount on the other side. So I feel like it didn't do anything, or maybe I needed it to be stronger. I don't know. I've been scarred by that laundry detergent. All right, now I want to go on to some brushes, and these are a favorite of one of my favorite TikTokers in sort of the cleaning realm, and that's Vanessa Amaro. She is a professional cleaner. She has all sorts of tips and tricks and hacks and products that she loves for cleaning homes, and she shares them online, and I find so much, like, just a wealth of information from her videos. And one of the things that she recommended were these brushes, and these are just off Amazon, and she uses them for, like, you know, the inside like flap thing of the not dishwasher. What's that other washing thing? You know, the thing that I just used. Washing machine. Thank you. Thank you everyone who's yelling it at me. Where is my brain today? Do you see that, by the way? I was just looking for my coffee, like that would fix things. I'm gonna go get my coffee anyway. Don't judge me, I like coffee. But anyway, the inside flap of the washing machine, you can get it nice and clean using these brushes. They're great for the inside of the windows, which is what we're gonna be using them for today. The one that I got came in a pack of 3 different ones, and they're in different colors in case you wanted to kind of color code them to different uses. You know, like if you have one for, I don't know, like a toilet or like cleaning a bathroom, you wouldn't even use that in the kitchen, you know? It has like a flat edge right here, which is good for like getting any grime if you need. It has this little brush guy, but mostly I want to talk about these brushes because these are the ones that she was like really excited about. So we're going to be specifically using these for the insides of my kids, like their window frames basically, which have gotten very grimy because they have like these blackout kind of curtains for their rooms, and that sort of like traps in a lot of like condensation inside. Anyway, it's just they're really grimy, but we're gonna change that today. The bristles themselves are very rough, still you can see they do move a little bit, and I feel like the size of them in terms of like how thin is going to be like perfect for this job. So let's go get some soapy water and clean this up. All right, we have a window. We got the supplies. Now we test. That is the exact correct size. I am pleased, but can you get in the little corners? Yes, you can. And if you couldn't, does this do anything? Not really, but this does. The one thing I will say is that this part right here keeps getting in the way of me trying to like get into some of these parts over here. So like I'll go up and then it'll like hit here and here, which is kind of annoying. But it is doing a pretty good job getting into all those like little nooks and crannies. All right, I would like to also use this for the inside of my washing machine, but it's currently being used. Oh, that's just chip paint. My bad. All right, I can see the appeal of these things. Makes the job a lot faster, like putting this all together. Plus it's like a nice grip. I didn't even like think about it, but like I like the grip because it's like easy to like get into little spots, you know? I approve. I see why she likes them so much. Okay, now welcome to my bathroom. We're just taking the full tour today because I want to test another hack, and that is to take, I think it's so simple, but I feel like this could really make a difference in my life. And that is taking a cotton pad and then putting some essential oils on it and putting it at the bottom of your garbage can underneath the like liner, and it's supposed to make your garbage can just like smell better because garbage cans as units aren't the most delightful. And so I wanted to try one in our upstairs garbage can, and then I'm also gonna put one at the bottom of our kitchen garbage can as well because I want to see if I can actually smell it, or is this just like a waste of good essential oils, you know? So I am going to use a mixture of peppermint and eucalyptus because those are my favorites, and I feel like that would add a nice little like a zippy scent that I am in favor of. I don't want to do too much, but like I want to get enough that I'm gonna smell it without it being like overwhelming. And eucalyptus. Smells good. Now I'm gonna put it at the bottom of my half full garbage can, which wasn't the best of planning, but it's fine. Let's see if this like actually does anything. So I don't want you wasting good essential oils if you can't even smell it. Instead, I will waste them so that you don't have to. Unless it's really good, in which case it wouldn't be a waste. Okay, I got one. Put a little bit more on this one for the kitchen garbage, so we're gonna go and put that there. And if I can't smell it, I might actually just put it at the bottom, like underneath the sink, which is where we keep our garbage, and just see if like that smells good without it being like pow in the face. Actually, maybe I'll do that. I'll try it in the garbage can up here, and I'm gonna try it just under the sink. Just realized in editing this that I didn't actually tell you what happened. So I put it in there, and you can't smell it at all. Like at all. If you have any suggestions in how I can actually make it work though, please let me know in the comments. All right, she done, and I have to say right now, it smells like really aggressive laundry detergent. Candy wrapper, but not in like a good way. It smells so strong, and I used less than they asked for. Well, I guess let's put this in the dryer and see if it kind of tones down the scent. Anyone else try and get it all in all at once? Oh, it's so strong. All right, well, let's see if that works. All right, I don't have high hopes for the laundry detergent. But now I want to test out a stain remover. And I saw a ton of people use this both for its intended and for unintended use. And that is the Bissell Spot Lifter. Now this is specifically for people with pets to get rid of any pet-related messes on carpets and things. But I saw a lot of people use these just on their carpets and area rugs and stuff in general when they're dirty. And I don't know if you know this, but I have children. And while children and animals are different, they do create similar messes. Pets and children do not discriminate when it comes to creating messes on floor. So I figured I would try this because it looks really cool. It comes out, it's like a foam, I guess, in here, and this is all like bristles, so it's gonna get like the foam into the carpet, and then you blot it and you remove any of the dirty foam, basically. And don't get me wrong, I have lots of stains on my carpet. Which one will we choose today? I know I spilled coffee somewhere Oh no, there it is. Ta-da! We're gonna tackle the coffee stains because guess what? Kids aren't the only ones that make messes. Sometimes it's me. Alright, so let's see what this does. So I gotta shake this up first. Shaky, shaky. And then put the small amount of foam pushing down on plastic pad. Brush head on the stain. Hiya! Really stuck here. Hold on. Why aren't you working for me? Okay, there we go. Woo! Okay, leave brush head on the stain. Spread foam evenly and then overlapping layers. Vigorous, it says. Okay, beautiful. Now we need to maybe do it some more. This is what it looks like, by the way. Like a little bit of a consistency there, but you can see where the stain is. Okay, right into it. Okay, now I need a damp towel to remove the excess foam that is on here, right here. Okay. Now we're blotting with a damp towel. Like I can hear the foam in the carpet. Am I supposed to put it all up, or is it gonna like dry? Like what's going on here? All right, it says to just pat it. All the excess foam, it says, the excess. But can you hear it? That's like the cleaner in the carpet. So I'm gonna pat this up a little bit more and then I'm supposed to let it dry and then I can vacuum it. So we'll see if that got rid of it. I feel like I can still see it, but maybe my eyes are playing tricks on me. All right, update on the carpet. It has been vacuumed, it's dry, and it's still there. But I much prefer my, what's it called? Foreo or something spray. I think that works a lot better. And also the Bissell, the little green machine thing, that works really well too. But I didn't find it super helpful for the intended use that it is not. Yeah. All right, we're gonna go check on this laundry. I can already tell you, I'm not liking it so far. Oh. It's scented. Okay. Okay, it's faint, not too overwhelming. I just don't think I like it. I think that's the issue. It smells like, I feel bad saying this because everyone's obsessed with this, but like it just doesn't smell luxe, which it should for that price. Like it kind of just smells like cheap detergent that has a scent to it. I don't get the hype. Honestly, I'm kind of mad that I wasted that money on that. No, don't bother. So I have an update I need to share with you on that detergent stuff. I have washed it now. It's on its second time washing it. And anything that this detergent touches, it like seems to almost permanently scent. Like my laundry room right now smells like it. Like it's seeped into the pores of my laundry room. So I took it out of my laundry room, like bagged it up, and I was like, well, somebody that I know will probably want to use it or I'll donate it or something like that. But apparently I touched it somehow, washed my hands 3 times, and it still stank of it. Like I put like lotion and stuff on and I like washed it again. So it seems to be gone, I think. But like, oh my gosh, of everything that I have ever purchased for a video, I think that might be the worst thing I've ever bought. I don't understand all of the 5-star rate. Like I can't comprehend it. It's so bad. Don't buy it. So have you tried any of these products or hacks before? Let me know in the comments, or if you have any better ones that we can test out next time, let me know. I would love to try them because I aspire to one day have a clean house. My lifestyle doesn't really allow it, but I do want it. Still haven't cleaned up my makeup. Leave your hacks and products down below. We can test out next time, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy cleaning gadgets and hacks videos. And I will link all the products that I bought down below for you guys. Check out these other videos on the side. Maybe you missed some, and I will see you all next week.